How to fit an Autotherm remote-controlled insulated roller garage door. The side guides will need to be positioned the correct way round. The dog legs should be away from the wall. Drill the side guides through the void box section at the back of the guide channel with a 7mm drill bit from front to back at suitable intervals. Change the drill bit from 7mm to 13mm and open out the holes you just drilled to 13mm on the front side only. Slide the guide channels onto the peg at the bottom of the shutter side plates. Two people should carefully lift into position by holding the guide with one hand and supporting the shutter box with the other. Check with a spirit level that the guides are plumb and the shutter box is level. Fix the guide channels into place and fit the 13mm screw cover caps. Remove the lid and drill 7mm fixing holes through the back of each side plate and every 800mm along the length of the back fascia, and secure with suitable fixings. Mount the control unit to the wall and connect to a suitable power supply. Drill an exit hole through the side plate for the motor wire to exit and connect the control unit, following the detailed instructions provided. Fix the safety beam unit to the wall between 400mm and 600mm up from the floor. Fix the reflector to the wall opposite so it is aligned with the sensor. The door will not close if the beam is not aligned correctly or is blocked by an obstruction. Using your remote control handset, drive the motor in the down direction until it reaches its stop limit. Place two similar-sized blocks under the door to assist with connecting the locking straps to the curtain. Carefully slide the curtain over the axle and into the guides. Slide the locking straps onto the curtain and position them evenly across the length. You may need to change the size of the blocks under the curtain to assist with sliding the collars into position encapsulating the locking straps. Use a 2.5mm pilot drill through the locking strap fixing holes and insert 3.5mm by 9.5mm fixing screws. Insert two 2.9mm by 13mm screws through the holes on the collars and into the elongated screw holes. Remove the blocks from under the door. In order to set the motor's travel limits, push the button on your remote control handset to open the door until it stops on its limit. Then, using the tool provided, turn the up grub screw in the plus direction. Be aware that the door will start to move up as you are turning the limit screw. Make sure that you leave 70mm of the door in the top of the guides. Important note: in this scenario, motor on the right, the upper limit is closest to you and the lower limit is closest to the fixing wall. If the motor is on the left, the lower limit is closest to you and the upper limit is closest to the fixing wall. The double door scenario is slightly different again. Now close the door to its limit. If the door does not fully close, turn the down limit grub screw in the plus direction. Important note: Be careful not to adjust the down limit too far in the plus direction, as this may cause damage to the locking straps. You can reduce the door's travel in either direction by turning the grub screw in the minus direction. If all seems fine, then fit the lid, making sure that the lip at the top front slides in correctly. Insert the override mechanism and fix into place using the self-tapping screws provided. If at any time power is lost to the shutter, you can use the override handle to operate it. Your new Autotherm garage door is ready to use.